It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Hi, I'm Steve Hartley. What I'd like to do is introduce an OKI printing situation to you. We're going to come down here. OKI GL408. One of the important issues that you as a reseller wants to know, is it easy to load, is it easy to service, and it is easy for configurations. By opening the print head here, you can see how easy it is just to load the labels into the machine or take them out. A wide open area for getting your hand into the machine if ever you need to clean it because the label has flipped up. The ribbon, same kind of feeding convenience also. One of the other features we talked about is the interface issues. On the back here you'll see that it comes with parallel, serial, and USB. And of course up here it has a slot that's available to allow you to install wireless connectivity or Ethernet connectivity. The front panel, you want to see, big large display. 5 languages are available of emulation within this machine, so no matter what kind of connectivity of communication you need from a legacy system, we're able to dial in on the front panel as to what the communication needs are.